Chief Marshal A.P. Singh today met the Prime Minister Narendra Modi amid the escalating tensions between the India and Pakistan over the Pahalgam attack, which killed 26 people on April 22nd. Also, engagement with the Air Force Chief came less than 24 hours after a separate meeting between the Prime Minister Modi and the Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, the Chief of the Naval Staff. Also, the Prime Minister had met the Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi last week. While an official readout of the meeting was not released in the media, it is also being seen as part of the ongoing deliberation over a response to the April 22nd attack, also in which the gunman opened fire on a group of tourists in the Pahalgam region of the Anantnag district. All those killed were civilians, many of them tourists were various states across the India came visiting the picturesque region in the South Kashmir during the spring season. The attack marked one of the deadliest strikes on the civilians in the Kashmir in the recent years and has triggered calls for the retributive action against Pakistan, which India accuses of providing the support to the terror groups to carry out cross-border attacks. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a high-level meeting had earlier said that this week we have given a clear directions to the defense leadership that the Indian armed forces have the complete operational freedom to decide the nature, targets and the timing of the country's response to the attack. Present at the earlier meeting were the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan and the Head of the Army, Navy and Air Force. Also, 2 days after the Pahalgam massacre, Prime Minister Modi's reference to the taking the flight and we are going to go to the end of the earth to get the terrorists punished and the punishing all of the perpetrators beyond their imagination was widely seen as a direct message to Pakistan. Historically, India has responded to the terrorist provocation with force. In 2016, India carried out a surgical strike on terrorist launch pad across the line of control following the attack on the soldiers in the Jammu and Kashmir's Uri and then the 2019 Balakot airstrikes after the Pulwama bombing. Also, the Air Force played a key role in the Balakot operation, using the Mirage 2000 fighter jets to carry out the strikes on what the government described as the major terror training facility. Following the Pahalgam attack, India has already taken diplomatic and strategic steps aimed at increasing pressure on the Islamabad. One such move was the decision to put in abeyance certain provisions of the Indus Water Treaty, a long-standing bilateral agreement governing the use of rivers that flow from India into Pakistan. Despite public pressure and the firm tone adopted by the Prime Minister Modi and the senior officials, there has so far been no official word on the nature or the timing of a retaliatory action.